guys, welcome to Nadira's kitchen. This is my first video. Today we're going to be making some trash can cookies, and these are the ingredients you need. So you need some chocolate, so any leftover chocolates. You also need plain flour, you need butter. I've chosen to use this light flora butter, but any butter will do. Some more chocolate, and then we've got some brown sugar. So these are all the ingredients you need, and I'll link them in the description below. So first you need to chop up all your chocolate. Here I have chopped up 8 chocolate bars, which is why there's looking like there's loads. This is the butter before it has been microwaved. This is the butter after it has been microwaved. Once you have melted the butter, you need to add it to a mixing bowl, and it should look like this. So here we have some brown sugar, and we are going to add it to our mixing bowl with the butter, with the melted butter. This is how our brown sugar and our melted butter should look like once it's combined together. So now we are going to add in our plain flour into the mixture. We also need 1 tablespoon of baking powder to add into the mixture. Once the baking powder has been added, you just need to keep mixing until it turns into a dough like this. We then pour all our chocolate into the dough. This is the chocolate and the dough combined together. Just keep kneading it. We then need to roll the dough and form them into tiny balls and place them on a baking tray, which then goes into the oven. Once they are in the oven, just set the timer for 15 minutes and they should be ready. This is what my cookie turned out like, but I hope yours turned out way better. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also comment down below what are the types of cooking or baking you would like to see me do. Please share with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!